What's up, everybody? This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'm back with another Photoshop quick tip tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the pen tool and the curvature pen tool, but this time I'm going to show you how we can use them both together when making one selection. So let's hop right into it. So starting off with the regular pen tool, what we're going to do is we're going to make a selection around this lollipop graphic. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It's easy to do with both, but in this tutorial I found that using them both together actually works pretty good. So here we go. Just going to make a rough selection here, not trying to be absolutely perfect. For anybody who's familiar with the pen tool, you know that it's not very difficult to use. Just make your way around the lines, stretch and curve the pen tool as you see fit, right? Pretty simple. Oops, messed up a little bit, but pretty simple, pretty straightforward for the most part. Right click, make your selection, boom, there you go. Let me hit my quick mask tool, or quick mask button, Q for a shortcut, make a quick mask around there. And as you see, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just trying to do this really quick just to show that you can make a quick selection using the pen tool, right? I mean, that's what it's for. So we're going to hit Control D, and this time we're going to start over, and we're going to use both of them together. And this is how. Well, you know how, but this is what I discovered that actually works pretty good for me. So we're going to start making our selection with the regular pen tool like we did before. Going to make our way around here. And again, I'm just doing this really quick just to make a quick tutorial. But now we're going to click and hold, and we're going to go to the curvature pen tool. And if you've ever used the curvature pen tool before, all you have to do is go here, 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 and there. And just like that, right click, make a selection, and boom. Just that quick, just like before, but actually might be even a little bit better. But look at how much faster that was using both the regular pen tool and the curvature pen tool. So hope you found that pretty useful and informative, and if not, let me know and give me a thanks, thumbs up, or if you've already known it and I'm late to the party, let me know. You know, I've been doing Photoshop for a long time, but with all the upgrades and new additions to Photoshop, things are new to me, and sometimes I might not catch on just as fast as you may have, or if you may have. So hopefully we can help each other out with this. But I discovered that while doing some jobs and found it to be pretty useful. So give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.